Okay, we're here at RSV Vehicle Restorations, and this is our new project. What model is this, Ellie?
66.
66 Mustang, fully imported, and as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape all around. But this car will come out as good as, if not better, than the Black Beauty that we posted before. This car's got a few imperfections and a lot of rust. All these panels, rear quarter panels, inside guards, outer panels, boot, floor of the boot and floor pans will all be replaced, making this car roadworthy again. It's naturally going to be a challenge, but in the faithful hands of RSV, keep yourself posted and we'll see what comes out of it.